Hello everybody, welcome to our channel English Explorer. So today we will now do another activity, or we will do the practice day 6, and today I will meet my another excellent, adorable and the wonderful student. He is belonging to Great International School. So now I will do this activity. This activity name is role play. So now his name, at first I introduce this man, or this this is my student, or introduce my student. His name is Shrip. So Shrip Kumananda, and Shrip, now come here. We will do some activity to learn English fluently, to learn English very impeccable way. So Shrip, come here. So Shrip, here, stand here. So now we will start our activity. At first, Sudeep showcase his activity. He do the role of potato seller, and he is the shopkeeper of this market. He is a very high rated potato seller or potato shopkeeper. Okay, now introduce this activity through this activity. So now start.
Take potato from me. Take potato. Take potato from me. Take potato.
Okay, brother. How much rupees for your potato?
One
Per
sir,
kg.
Sir, per kg, sir, 100 rupees.
Oh my God, 100 rupees. You can take for per kg. 100 rupees. Oh my God. But I asked the next to your shop, the potatoes is potato rupees per kg. But how did you tag this high much cost or like that?
Sir, it is a special potato. Sir, I made it in my home. Sir, I work a day.
You made it in your home? What?
Sir, it is a special potato. Its name is Sir Pathirana potato. It is special. If you eat one time, you will get, sir.
Oh, I think this potato ball very
Yes,
well.
sir. Yes, sir.
But another shopkeeper potato ball.
No, they take from the market and give you, but it takes time. I think you know. Every time people went for low price, but they did not ask the higher price ones.
Okay. So I take this potato. I want to buy from you this potato, at least 5 to 10 kg. Okay, so if you less this price, then I will take, or I will bring this.
So nowadays you are seeing, after this corona, it is the price of everything has increased, sir. But then also you come to take from me every time. So I am decreasing 30 rupees from you. Give me
30 rupees. Only 30 rupees you decrease. It's too high for me. I'm a farmer, you know. So I belongs to a middle class family.
Okay, you give me 50 only.
50. Okay, so you just give 5 to 6 kilo potatoes.
Okay.
So, like this.
Okay. Done. Give your bags.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Come again, sir.
If this video will help you a lot, then you share this channel to your friend, to the others, and you comment more, and you please don't forget to hit the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Tata, bye bye, have a nice day.